Hi children, let us continue our chapter mensuration, exercise 11.3. Children, second question, let us see. Let us read the question now. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? Okay, the suitcase should be covered using the tarpaulin cloth. Length, breadth and height of that suitcase is given. Okay, length is equal to 80 centimeter, breadth is equal to 48 centimeter and height is equal to 24 centimeter. So you should cover the suitcase with the tarpaulin. If you want to cover the suitcase with tarpaulin, what you should find? You should find the total surface area of the suitcase. Okay, and that should be equal to tarpaulin's area. So the point is the total surface area of the suitcase and the area of the tarpaulin should be equal. Then only you will be able to cover it complete. Okay, so you will find the total surface area of one suitcase and you will multiply by 100. Same way the area also, the length. So now let us find the length. You should find the length of the tarpaulin cloth also. How many meter of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? That is the question. So you can see the tarpaulin will be rolled and kept like this. Okay, it will be rolled and kept like this. If you are unfolding it, it will be like this. So this one's breadth, that is 96 centimeter, width is given and you should find the length. Okay, width is given as 96 centimeter. You should find the length. How much is needed? Tarpaulin is needed to cover the suitcase. Okay, now let us see the solution. So length of the suitcase box is equal to 80 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 48 centimeter and height is equal to 24 centimeter. You know the total surface area of the cubicle, that is cuboid, that is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is the total surface area of a cuboid. Suitcase is in the shape of a cuboid. Okay. Now so you are applying the values, that is 80 into L is equal to 80. So L into B, base is breadth is equal to 48. We have substituted here. Now 48, that is breadth into height. Breadth into height we are applying here and height into length we are applying here, 24 into 80. Now you will find the measures, that is you will multiply and write the answers. Then you will add, you will get 6,912. Okay, 6,912 you will get. So 2 into 6,912 you will get 13,824 centimeter square. So that is what total surface area of the suitcase. So we told the total surface area of the suitcase and the area of the tarpaulin should be equal. So with that we'll see. So area of the tarpaulin cloth is equal to surface area of the suitcase. Now you know that it was in the shape of a rectangle. Tarpaulin cloth was in the shape of a rectangle. So it is L into B, the area of the tarpaulin. So L into B is equal to 13,824. B, you know, the width of the tarpaulin was given as 96. Okay. So L into 96 equal to 13,824. So you will find the length, that is L is equal to 13,824 divided by 96, that is equal to 144 centimeter. Okay. Now, so required tarpaulin for 100 suitcases is equal to 144 into 100. This is for one suitcase. 144 centimeter is for one suitcase. So for 100 suitcase means 144 into 100. Okay. So it will be 14,400 centimeter. So centimeter should be converted into meter because the question it was asked that how many meter of tarpaulin is needed. So we will convert it into meter. So what you are doing? Divided by 100. Okay. So that is 14400 divided by 100 you are doing. Why? Because you are converting into meter. Okay. So you got 144 meter. Now, hence the tarpaulin cloth required to cover 100 suitcases equal to 144. Now, fourth question. Let us read the question now. Rukshar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? The cabinet is given here and the measures are given. It is marked here, that is 1 meter. Breadth, length is 2 meter and height is 1.5 meter is the length, breadth and height is given. But the only thing is that she, except the bottom, she covered all the other places. That is, you think that it is a cabinet. She painted all the sides, that is breadth here, all she painted, but where she didn't paint? At the bottom. So total surface area of the cupboard, you know that 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. But here length into breadth only 1 is taken. The bottom part is not taken. So you can't take 2 common outside from all the things. So this is alone, that is length into breadth you should do it, that is you should be written separate. Okay, now let us see here. So length, breadth and length is equal to 2 meter, breadth is equal to 1 meter and height is equal to 1.5 meter. Now let us apply the formula. So formula, when you are applying, that 2 LB is not there, only 1 LB is there. Okay, 2 LB is not there, only 1 LB. That is why we have written out. LB plus other all 2 is there. Okay, 2 into BH plus HL inside the bracket. Now you are substituting the value L and B, you are substituting, that is 2 into 1. Okay, length and breadth. Okay, now next 2 common outside, 1 into 1.5 breadth and height you are multiplying. Height and length you are multiplying. You are getting 1 into 1.5 is same 1.5. 15 into 2, 30. As decimal point is there, 3.0. 2 into 1 as usual, 2. Okay. Now you are adding. You are multiplying it and adding. Then you will get the answer as 11 meters square. Okay. Hence the required surface area of the cabinet is equal to 11 meters. So what you did, only thing is that the bottom part is not needed. So you took only 1 L into B. Okay. You took only 1 L into B. Now we'll go to next problem.